It's all systems go as I prepare for my workshops with Bernina at the Sew Awareness Quilt Festival in July. While everyone sees the finished artwork in class, there's a lot of preparation that happens behind the scenes. Right now, I'm putting together the kits for my Moonlight Meander textural workshop. Sometimes the most spectacular textile art starts with the simplest techniques. These recycled denim pieces are stitched together using nothing more than my standard sewing foot, but with my trusty Bernina 735 set to its fastest stitching speed, the groundwork comes together in no time. I love how effortlessly my Bernina handles every task, from the simplest construction work to the finest artistic details. It proves that even the most ordinary sewing can be exciting when you have the right machine by your side. I can't wait to share this creative journey with my students at the festival.